Here's a central paradox that governs our entire mental operating system. Wanting a positive experience is a negative experience. Accepting a negative experience is a positive experience. Let's deconstruct this core principle.
At the core of our mental processing, there is a fundamental glitch. It's a self-perpetuating cycle of negativity, a feedback loop from hell.
Here's how it executes. You feel anxious. Your mind immediately runs a diagnostic, asking why. Then you become anxious about being anxious. It's a recursive function for misery, a very efficient, very terrible feature.
And our culture's obsession with positivity just pours fuel on this fire. It's like everyone else's life came with better default settings, which only strengthens the loop.
The only way to win is to not play. You short-circuit the loop by simply accepting the initial negative feeling. Stop allocating processing power to it.
So let's install the first patch. It's a principle called the backwards law.
The logic is inverted. Chasing a positive only reinforces that you lack it. The more you want wealth, the poorer you feel. But embracing a negative generates a positive. The pain you choose in the gym builds actual health. It's a complete system reboot on what you thought you knew.
This brings us to a critical line of code. Everything worthwhile is generated by overcoming the associated negative experience. Struggle is the source code for value.
If problems are a constant, then the objective isn't to eliminate them, it's to upgrade them. We're looking for good problems. These are the problems you actually enjoy having and solving. Happiness isn't an end state, it's the process of working on better problems.
To get better problems, you need better values. Good values are internal and controllable, like honesty. Bad values are external, like popularity. They leave you with all the control of a user without admin privileges.
The command is simple. When you choose better values, you get better problems. And better problems lead to a better life.
All right, let's install the master control program that integrates all of this. It's the power of responsibility.
It is critical to distinguish fault from responsibility. Fault is past tense, responsibility is present tense. You may not be at fault for the cards you're dealt, but you are always responsible for how you play them. And this inverts a famous quote. Accepting responsibility is what grants you true power. You might not have written the initial code, but you're the one at the keyboard now.
So let's move from theory to execution. Here's your immediate, actionable step.
Apply the do something principle. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. So what is the single smallest step you can take on a problem you have been avoiding? Just execute.
I turned this into a clean PDF plus action worksheet. Link in the description or pinned comment.
If this helped you, hit like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more.
What's the next step you'll take in the next 24 hours?